A new legislation aimed at protecting the traditional culture and buildings in the Old Town area of Kashgar City in China's Xinjiang entered into force on Wednesday. The regulation enacted on March 31st forbids demolishing of or damage to historical architecture in the Old Town while stipulating that reconstruction of buildings must receive official approvals. A top tourist destination in Xinjiang, the Old Town of Kashgar is home to one of the largest surviving earthen buildings in the world, the oldest of which can date back more than 400 years.
为了商业开发，要是过度的把一些老建筑拆掉重建，或者是对它进行一个二次的改变的话，对喀什古城的整个风貌会有很大的影响。所以我觉得这个管理条例出来的特别好，而且特别及时。这个对于整个喀什的发展，对喀什古城的保护是，非常有必要，非常好的。
国家为了保护我们喀什古城的原来的样子，或者是保护我们居民的合法权益，立了这个保护古城的法律。
我觉得立法对我们喀什古城的老房子、老建筑，就是传统的保护了传统的美。
According to the legislation, intangible cultural heritages, including traditional handicrafts, arts, and folklore and festivities must be protected, and over-commercialization must be prevented. It notes that residents of various ethnicities in the Old Town are encouraged to live in their original residencies and participate in the protection efforts of the Old Town.